Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Actually, we're not at my shop, we're at Clay's shop down here in Mississippi. And he asked me to make him this table, so I did. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get started. So, use a little bit of paste wax. Hat tip Caleb Harris telling me about this. It's supposed to release. I'll leave a link in the description to his last video that he did concerning this. How it works out. Supposedly this is supposed to help release the pour. Find out. Alright. So now
I love the way this stuff lays down. Nice and easy.
Put a little bit of paste wax on your finger. Force it all in the corners. Have a rag handy. That way, it doesn't get all over the place. Just like that. Alright folks, today we're going to start mixing some TotalBoat ThickSet epoxy. Went through and did my calculations on it, and I came up with roughly 138 ounces. So basically you go through, the formula is width times thickness times length, and then you multiply that by 0.554, and it's going to give you your total ounces. I'll leave a link in the description below for Caleb Harris. He's got several different videos. He did a video that he did several different types of way to do it, and I'll also leave the card up here. So let's get busy. Let's do some mixing. It's a 3-to-1 mixture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour 40 ounces in this, and it's going to take me up to 56 when I add the hardener. Do that in both of them so I can get it mixed up and not have to worry about spillage. I don't have the big mixing cups that TotalBoat sends out because I didn't order them, but this should work. Find out.
There, so you guys don't yell at me.
This again. Try to get this going. Hey bud, what are you doing?
Can I help you?
Sure. I'm trying to get this off. Can you see if you can get it off?
Yeah.
What? Look at that. Not even a grunt and you got it off. Thanks, buddy. When in doubt, call the monkey boy. So we're going to use a little bit of Halcyon clear coat. Thank you, TotalBoat, for sending this to me. Love this stuff because I can respray it in an hour. Not have to worry about sanding in between coats. So we'll do 2 coats on this, let it sit for a couple hours, flip it over, and then we're going to spray the top. So let's see how this goes.
Air protection on. A little bit of isopheed going on. And we're going to listen to some Making It podcast.
What happens is when you pour it, they have the exothermic reaction, which when you pour it, it looks kind of like this, and then as it starts heating up, it'll actually start doing that around the edges.
And that is awesome. And that is, what did you say was that?
Okay, so the actual epoxy itself is TotalBoat ThickSet, which has got a longer working time on it. It takes about 3 to 4 days for it to actually cure. And then I sprayed the top of it with Halcyon, which is a water-based varnish, which is gonna actually be really tough for what you're doing. Just don't clean it with anything that's got alcohol in it, it'll take it off. Just use a water-based cleaner.
Yeah.
Made out of olive wood. We got the wood from Lakeside Woodworking in Kentucky. I picked that up on my way back from Indiana.
So that's a beautiful table, dude. That is amazing how that turned out.
Glad you like it. Thanks a lot for coming along on the build. And again, Clay called me a couple months ago asking me to build him this table, which I did. huge shout out to TotalBoat because they're the ones that helped make this possible. I use their thickset epoxy for the main river pour, and then on the top I use their Halcyon. And also actually there's actually a layer of thickset epoxy on top, and then I finished it off with some Halcyon. So anyways, thanks a lot for coming along on the journey, and you know, as David Picciuto says, be safe, stay passionate, have fun, and make something.
That's awesome, dude. I love it. This is great. You did a fantastic job. Cool. Like, the pictures don't do it justice. I hope
No.
the video actually shows how beautiful it is, because it looked great in the pictures, but man, it's
Yeah,
it's
because you don't get all the little intricate details of all the. And so what we ended up doing is, because you got some knot holes here, some
Right.
holes. What we did is we mixed up some 2-to-1 epoxy, and then we put some bronze tint in it, and we filled all the holes with bronze tint. And then we actually went over with a layer of bronze across the top of it
Wow.
to kind of darken the wood a little bit.
So that, you said it was like TotalBoat. That's the name of the company.
Yeah, TotalBoat.
Do they? I guess that's for boats.
They initially started out making it stuff for boats, and then the maker community got into it. And, but yeah, it's just their 2-to-1 resin. This is actually 3-to-1. The thick set's a 3-to-1 resin, and then I use their diamond pigment colors to kind of get the color.
Yeah, it's beautiful. How it turned out. You definitely need to do some B-rolls showing all of that. Definitely. Like, if I had to take the camera and go down, you need to show that off.
You know,